every year they used to call me for splits.
Oh.
And I was like, it doesn't work for me. Like, why will I go on that? I'm an actor. I've been working for 10 years. And I don't know what, like one day I was just sleeping and they called and they said, you know, we have one contestant short. We would love it if you come. So the script of the show was super long, okay, for the audition. It was about 2-3 pages. And I used to take it out every day and be like, मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं जा रही. Sharda has a lot of Priyambada. Like the way I talk, my gestures.
Yeah.
So we have literally built all the characters in the show, like they were written. That's another reason I'm not doing Bigg Boss, because I want to go when I can win. So I want to keep my winning streak intact.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, इस वक्त मेरे साथ जो शख्स इंडिया फोरम्स में मौजूद है उनके बारे में बस मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि इनकी एक्टिंग, इनका स्क्रीन पे प्रेजेंस देखकर अच्छे एक्टर्स हो जाते हैं शांत. वेलकमिंग प्रियंवदा कांत इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी ऑन इंडिया फोरम्स.
Hello, that was a really lovely introduction and a really nice poem. I'm totally going to use this.
Let's get printed on a t-shirt now. How are you doing?
I'm great, thank you.
Welcome to India Forums after a really long time. As we were speaking behind the cameras that 2019 was the last when you had come here.
Yeah.
And uske baad aaj, what took you so long?
I don't know, yeah. Like, I think 2019 was a very different phase that was going on. I just won splits and then we'd come here and then the lockdown happened and a lot of things changed and then I've just been working, so this time I thought I should take out time and come.
Amazing. Welcome to India Forum, Priyambada. Firstly, now that we're speaking about lockdown, यार सबके लिए ना lockdown सारे actors के लिए काफी अलग phase था ना. कुछ लोग मतलब they were enjoying thoroughly, कुछ लोगों के projects stall हो चुके थे, everyone was worrying कि अभी क्या होगा. How was your lockdown?
I think initially it started with a lot of fun, the regular dalgona coffee and workouts and वो सब चल रहा था in the first bit. I just won splits and the lockdown happened, so it was kind of disappointing because we couldn't just go out there and meet people and do all of that. Also, I was going to start doing another project which was very interesting. It was this comedy show. Actually, I haven't spoken about it at all. It was a beautiful comedy show where this girl has split personality and it was incredible. Everything was locked. We were just going to go on floor and then the lockdown happened, so that got shelved. That project got shelved completely. And then I started doing Ye Rishta and Nagin when the lockdown opened again, and that was going on great. When then the second lockdown happened and there was a terrible wave in Delhi of COVID, and it was really hard on my family because I lost my dad in 3 days. And like I was talking to him on a video call and he got admitted, and then I lost him and I was on shoot near Andaman, so it was really difficult to travel and come. So personally, like lockdown is a very difficult conversation for me. Like it was very difficult.
But I'm sure you're so proud of you, Priyambada.
Yeah, I'm sure. I think everything great that's happening that point on, it's him.
And his blessings, of course.
For sure.
मैं अभी as researching किया मैं इनसे क्या बात करूँ. I mean, so much to talk to her. Like when I used to see Tenali Raman, I was in such an awe of this lady कि यार इनका husband इतना witty and all, and look at her, she's so nice. Tell me about that. How did Tenali Raman happen?
Oh, it's very interesting. So for the longest, so the script of the show was super long, okay, for the audition. It was about 2-3 pages, and I used to take it out every day and be like, मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं जा रही, मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, मुझे तो नहीं करना. Then finally one day, like I had a week of like not doing anything at all. So I said, एक बार try करते, पढ़ के तो देखो लिखा क्या है. Then I started reading and I was like, oh my god, what is this character? She's so interesting, she's so fun, like what's going on? So then I learned it and I finally called the casting team and I said, ठीक है, मैं आती हूँ आज, देखते हैं. And I went and the way they took the audition, like I had such a great time and I was like, I really hope this works out. And that point on, with our director Man sir, we sat down and we made the character. So Sharda has a lot of Priyambada, like the way I talk, my gestures. So we have literally built all the characters in the show, like they were written. And also Sharda does the interpretation of her amma, like the whole time, which on paper is like, हाँ वो बोल रही है और ये उनकी भाषा बोल रही है, but to execute that is so hard because you have to sync it, right? Like she's saying it, she's not saying it, she's doing her action, she's saying laddu khana hai, so you have to say laddu khana hai, you can't say khana hai laddu because then it won't sync. And as actors we tend to modify our lines all the time and to make it your own, so that was super hard. And but it just flew. Like I think the character really worked for people.
And I think if I'm not wrong, it is one that kind of character ना जो सबके दिल और दिमाग में, you know, it leaves an imprint.
Yeah.
So if I have to ask you, ऐसे आपके life में your journey in this entertainment industry, what is that one role do you think या फिर one character which was a turning point for you?
I mean I'll have to say Sharda from Tenali Rama, because when I left the show, I think 1.5 years into the show I left because there was a lot happening in the show that I didn't connect with at that time. And throughout those 6 years, हर एक Instagram post पे लोगों ने सिर्फ उठा लो, come back as Sharda, why did you leave? So I was like, oh my god, I've had some 10 years of career before this, but this one character, even when I once played, they were like, ये तो उठा लो वाली है, ये तो अरे श्रेय ने उठा लिया शारदा को. So I was like, oh my god. So and now season 2 has happened, so it's just some divine intervention, and I cannot say that Sharda is not my most favorite character. So yeah, it has to be Sharda.
Well, ऐसे होता है ना प्रियंका, कई बार कि आप जब बाहर जाते हो ना तो लोग अक्सर आपके ओरिजिनल नाम से नहीं बुलाएंगे. वो ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट याद है, फैन एनकाउंटर?
All the time actually. Initial days, you know, when I just started working, I played a negative character in one of the shows. पहले show में तो मैं positive थी, Betab, where I was the positive lead. Then in one I played negative, and someone came in a mall नहीं, वो grocery store, and came and said, I don't remember what my character name was. I think it was Pragya or something. Pragya, तुम ना मुग्धा के साथ बहुत बुरा कर रही हो. उसको तो पता नहीं चल रहा है, पर जब पता चलेगा ना तो. And I was like, so yeah, like people really think you are the character you're playing, and they can't differentiate because घर पे बैठ के टीवी पे देख रहे हैं तो उनको तो लग रहा है ऐसा ही है. So that was a crazy encounter, I think.
Well, also because I was an ardent follower of Kulfi Kumar Wajewala, I remember it like so well. ऐसे लग रहा है बस कल की बात हो रही है. It was like a fresh breath of air of seeing you and Kulfi Kumar Wajewala. वो भी was it like a planned thing? You thought over it, you gave it a thought, and then script को हाँ करी गई, या फिर you know just की करते वाला?
So I had just finished Tenali, and I was looking for something very different from the whole attire, very modern, very today's girl, because I mean, if you've seen all my work, every show I've done, I've played a completely different character. So as an actor, I feel I'm an actor because I get to play so many characters. I get to live so many lives. So it's great to play one character which is hit and go on for years. Like it works out for people, and that's really nice. But I'm very selfish. Like I'm an actor because I want to live so many different lives. And so Kulfi Kumar came at a time when I just left Tenali, and the character was really nice. It was a lot of fun, and of course I really wanted to work with Gul ma'am at that time, and because all her shows were doing really well. So so it was supposed to be really like fun and college, and so I took it up, and I think it was fun.
Lovely.
It was fun.
Correct me if I'm wrong, 2009 or 10 was Betab, right?
Yeah.
So since then you have been here in this entertainment industry more than a decade. You've crossed on radio. It doesn't look like at all.
Can you imagine? It's been 15 years. I didn't even realize, like recently, I think some of my fan clubs got together and they made a video of my 15 years journey.
Aww.
And I didn't remember most of the shows, and I looked at it and I was literally in tears. I was like, इतने साल हो गए और इतना काम भी कर लिया. So I'm really lucky.
Even I remember the Buddy project for that matter of fact.
I did. That was my first youth show. Yeah.
Well, if I have to ask you, Priyamada, how do you look back at this journey? Because of course, entertainment industry, it is not a bed of roses all the time.
Not
so many rejections, so many contemporaries, losing roles to somebody. How do you look upon that? I mean,
you know, I just like there's a lot of gratitude in my heart and a lot of love for everyone who believes in me and keeps casting me for different roles, and all the audiences that have loved my work over the years. It's not easy, and to stay relevant for so many years, you know, to play central characters, to play important characters, and also experiment. Like I've done a swim team.
Yes.
Right before I did Tenali, I did swim team, which was I was playing an Olympic swimmer, and you know, in a swimsuit like the whole time. It was a huge show with like, oh, Kanika to aise baat karti hai and whatever. From there to do Tenali Rama, where you know it's a historical character, to doing Splitsvilla right after that.
Yeah.
Like, I think I'm just really blessed that people have accepted me in whatever I've done, and I think as an actor, this is the greatest blessing ever, that you get to do so much.
Wonderful, यार. Touchwood for that, प्रेमदा. और तो स्प्लिट्सविला का भी जिक्र हुआ है, तो मुझे पूछना ही था आपसे कि जैसे हमारे डेली सोप्स होते हैं जो हमारे मम्मियों को पसंद होते हैं, वैसे स्प्लिट्सविला रोडीज ऐसे शो है कि अगर चलते जाएंगे वैसे ही जो नया यूथ आएगा उनको पसंद आते जाएंगे. आपके दिमाग में स्प्लिट्सविला जाने का ख्याल कैसा?
तो मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, मैं दिल्ली में पली बड़ी हूँ, और दिल्ली में रोडीज और स्प्लिट्सविला लोग बहुत देखते हैं. उनको बड़ा मजा आता है कि वाह क्या कर रहे हैं. So I grew up obviously watching all of that, and I was like, यार ये कैसे लोग हैं, ये यहाँ जाके ऐसे झगड़ा कैसे कर लेते हैं. जरूर इनको बोलते होंगे झगड़ा करने के लिए. Like how can they just you know start abusing, start fighting? So I just couldn't understand that, and I just finished Tenali. कुल्फी कुमार तभी तभी खत्म हुआ था, और मेरा I think स्प्लिट्सविला swim team करने के बाद every year they used to call me for splits. And I was like, it doesn't work for me. Like, why will I go on that? I'm an actor. I've been working for 10 years. And I don't know what, like one day I was just sleeping and they called and they said, you know, we have one contestant short. We would love it if you come, but you have to go tomorrow. Tomorrow 2 o'clock is the flight, and it's 1 month without phones, blah, blah, blah. They explained the whole concept to me. And I was literally doing nothing. I had not auditioned for anything. I had nothing pending. So I was like, यार 10 साल तो TV कर लिया है, और सब मुझे कैरेक्टर्स के नाम से जानते हैं. Maybe if I do this, and first तो मेरा ग्रीड था कि मुझे जाके देखना है कि ये लोग ऐसे कैसे चिल्ला लेते हैं, सच में ऐसे करते हैं कि कुछ बोलते हैं, पक्का कुछ बोलते होंगे, तो मैं जाऊंगी तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा. सबसे पहली चीज ये. सेकंड, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स यू नो इट्स फन, एंड इफ इट वर्क्स आउट देन ग्रेट. एंड आई सेड किसको पता चलेगा, चुपचाप जाऊंगी वहां पे 15 दिन शांत बैठी रहूंगी और निकल जाऊंगी. मतलब यू नो व्हाट्स देयर टू लूज, किसी को बताऊंगी भी नहीं. आई वेंट ऑन द शो. सो दैट वाज माय प्लान, एंड फर्स्ट 10-15 days I was just quiet, and I made some really good friends. So I was having a great time. मतलब मुझे लड़कों से कुछ लेना देना नहीं था, टास्क से कुछ नहीं. I was just chilling in the hotel room and having a great time. Vacation, literally I was taking a break. That's what Ranvijay asked me also, कि इतना काम करके like why are you here? I said, you know, I've never got a chance to just chill. I've always been working, so I'm on a holiday. Like it's like if it works out great, if it like I have nothing to lose literally, and I'm going to be who I am. ऐसा नहीं है वहाँ जाके I'll start abusing. Correct. That's not me. And it just worked out, यार.
चिल करते करते जीत गई लड़की.
Because we were so genuine, like Shreya and I both, we were just being ourselves completely. No झगड़ा, क्योंकि naturally आता ही नहीं था. और टास्क जीतते गए, and it worked out, and I'm so glad because I connected with the youth. I connected with people my age. उससे पहले तक सिर्फ आंटियाँ मुझे देखती थी.
People started knowing from your own name, right?
Yeah, and the first time I remember I went to Delhi with my mom to a mall, and like this girl came running to me and she hugged me and she was shivering. And she was like, Pri, I love you, Pri. And I was like, Pri? Then Sunny used to call me Pri on the show, because she couldn't say Priyambada. And I was like, अच्छा तो ये होती है reality show की fan following. So that was fun.
Yeah, speaking about the same, do you think things have changed for the reality medium? If I speak about roadies, Splitsvilla, क्योंकि हम देखते हैं ना अभी ये झगड़ा गाली गलौज बहुत ही ज्यादा हो गया. इनफैक्ट इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, दिव्या अग्रवाल एंड प्रियांक शर्मा वाले सीजन की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो पीपल इवन सेड रॉन्ग थिंग्स अबाउट. आजकल हर कोई एक्टर मॉडल बन के आ जाता है शो पे. व्हाट इज योर टेक? डू यू थिंक चीजें काफी बदल गई है इस फ्रंट पे?
I think reality show shows are still like a stepping stone for a lot of people to come into the industry to act or just like, you know, become a celebrity. Now influencing is so huge, so it's a great platform for people to come and be seen, and then take it from there. Like if they can act, then do that. Or I mean, unfortunately, a lot of people think that fighting and saying something controversial is the only way to be noticed. So, you know, people end up doing that, but I'd just like to say that I think I'm a great example, guys. I did not fight at all on the show, and I won. So that's also a way.
Yes.
So if just be true to who you are, and if that's the kind of person you are, then that's going to take you forward. But just fighting for no reason is really
Perfectly
useless.
said. Perfectly said. वैसे बिग बॉस के ऑफर्स आए कभी?
Actually, yeah, right after we finished Splits that year, I did get a call. And I had just done Splits, so I wasn't sure if I should just go back immediately into another reality show. And I also felt like maybe that season isn't going to be that great, because the season before that was a huge success. And I don't know if that season did very well. I actually don't remember. But yeah, that was, so I was also a little unsure.
Hanji.
And I think I want to do it a little later in my life.
अभी भी अगर करोगे तो लेट
हाँ, थोड़ा और बाद में. Maybe when I'm a little older, because that's then the world is going to see a very different side of me.
Correct.
Splits और ये काफी similar, मतलब पास होगा तो इतना नहीं देख पाएंगे. I think I also want to grow more and have a journey to share when I'm on it.
वंडरफुल यार. जर्नी की अगर बात हो ही रही है तो अपने आपका नाम काफी बड़ा कर ही दिया है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम, बड़ा नाम करेंगे सोनी लिव पे, यू नो हमें देखने मिलने वाली है वो आप उसमें. टेल मी हाउ हैज OTT चेंज द गेम फॉर सो मेनी एक्टर्स, लाइक स्पेशली अभी आपको हम देख रहे हैं इतने इंटरेस्टिंग. द कास्ट इज क्रेजी यार.
Cast is
What do you have to say
crazy.
about it?
So I think everyone, for all television actors especially, they feel it's the gradual progression कि थोड़ा TV करो फिर फिल्में करेंगे, या TV करो फिर OTT करेंगे. पर मेरे लिए वैसा नहीं रहा है. Like I feel if any character interests me, just go for it. Like it doesn't matter, because if you're a good actor, you will be good in every medium. No one's gonna say कि अरे ये तो अच्छी एक्टर नहीं है. मतलब I am doing justice to Nagin, and I will do justice to a show on Sony Live also. If I'm and I've done theatre also. So if you're good, you'll shine anywhere.
Yeah.
But this show is very interesting because मैंने पहली फिल्म हम आपके हैं कौन देखी थी आंखें खुलते, और वहाँ से मेरा that worm of wanting to become an actor started. मतलब I used to see माधुरी जी डांसिंग, और मैं बचपन में I think 2 साल की उम्र में लहंगा पहन के टीवी के सामने डांस करती थी कि ये बनना है. So when a call came from Rajshri, I was like, okay, whatever the role is, in whatever capacity I can be a part of this project, I will do it. And it's a lovely ensemble cast. मतलब there was so much to learn. We had 17 primary actors, and they're all मतलब दिग्गज हैं इंडस्ट्री के. So it was amazing to be a part of that, and it's a beautiful character. It's very different from everything I've done. So I'm glad I took it on. और सूरज सर के कंपनी में रहना ही I think for every actor is a great achievement. And obviously our director Palash Basani, he's done Gullak, which is such a good show. So it was amazing working with all of them.
Wonderful. Last 2 questions before we start with our rapid fire. 15 years in the industry, Priyamvada, do you think things have changed behind the scenes also and on screen also? मतलब सास बहू सागा तब से लेके वो धूम तरह से today, like you know, we are seeing पाकिस्तानी ड्रामास की तरफ भी लोगों का attraction ज़्यादा हो रहा है and all of that. क्या change लगता है आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में आज?
Actually, there's a huge change in the last 15 years. I think the kind of, firstly, the kind of stardom people used to experience with being an actor. I think that's really melted. That's sort of, that's not the same. It's become a lot about the work you do. Okay. You know, the kind of roles you're playing. Now today, all the supporting cast, character artists in web series, they're all known. They're all respected. They're all being called for awards and things, and they're all shining. Like if you see Pankaj Tripathi, and I mean, he's not the hero, but you probably don't remember the hero that he was, you know, the film he was in, and hero कौन था याद नहीं आपको. तो now it's a great time for actors to really shine.
True.
पहले stars का time था, अब actors का time है, तो which is great for actors.
Yeah.
And I think professionally things have become a lot more quicker, smarter. The way we shoot has become faster because obviously with all the technology. But I think it was a great time to be an actor back then, and I think if you're relevant and if you really enjoy your work,
Correct.
I think that's
Correct.
the only way you can survive.
Well, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि all the glitters is not gold is the life of an actor, कि लोगों को लगता है अरे इनकी लाइफ में बहुत ही ऐश होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है, तो but they don't see the 12-hour shift that you guys used to do, और उसके बाद then again अगले दिन same schedule follow करना. कभी ऐसे हुआ एक breakdown हुआ, रात को 2 बजे किसी से बात करने का मन करता है, तो who is that 2 AM friend that Priyamada calls?
I have actually a couple of 2 AM friends because I crib a lot. तो एक दोस्त की एनर्जी तो एग्जॉस्ट हो जाती है, तो मैं अलग अलग लोगों को फोन करती हूँ अलग अलग टाइम पे. एवरी प्रोजेक्ट आई एम ऑन आई हैव अ मैसिव ब्रेकडाउन बिकॉज आई टेक एवरीथिंग वेरी पर्सनली एंड वेरी सीरियसली. मुझे बड़ा है कि मैं नहीं सुन सकती कोई मुझे बोले कि आपने अच्छा नहीं किया, तो आई हैव टू लैंड अप ऑन सेट प्रिपेयर्ड. आई हैव टू बी लाइक माई 100%.
Correct.
So I have a few friends. I have my support system. I have my mom. कई बार मुझे लगता है stress her out too much with my life, but yeah, I have quite a few too.
चलो सही है यार. एंड जैसे आपके फैंस ने हमें ना मैंने मैसेज किया था कि एनी क्वेश्चन, तो वो कहते हैं कि उनको ना आपको बहुत ज्यादा देखने का मन कर रहा है आजकल हर जगह पे. सो फॉर देम वी वांट टू नो विदाउट गिविंग आउट मच, क्या अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स ला रहे हो आप हमारे लिए?
Actually, this January surprisingly has been touchwood really great. Like it started with Tenali, मतलब December में शुरू हुआ, so
Yes.
1 month of Tenali 2, which is a huge surprise for us
Yes,
also.
it is.
कि 7 साल बाद एक शो का रीमेक होना
बिल्कुल.
is insane. So we're all really lucky and blessed, and I'm glad that people wanted to see us again. Then मेरा ये बड़ा नाम करेंगे आ रहा है in February, which is on Sony
Sony
Live with Rajshri. Then I just did a project for Z5, which is called Chahte. It's very interesting. It's actually ZTV has started a mini series. It's called
Got it.
Z mini series.
Yes.
And it's 7 episodes, Monday to Sunday. तो it's already on air. तो Monday to Sunday और Z5 पे तो कभी भी देख सकते हैं. तो चाहते, that's a beautiful love story. It's with Abhishek Rawat. He's a wonderful actor. So we worked on that. And it's a very realistic, बहुत वो भी character कुछ अलग ही है. मतलब मैंने कैसे किया, like I don't know. It was very different from who Priyamada is personally. So that, and then one project I'm really looking forward to, which is for Amazon Mini, that's coming. That's with Endemol, and that character is, I mean, I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it. Like, she's a whacked out, like, crazy character, and I'm playing a college girl in that. So from a bhabhi to bahu to Sharda to now a college kid, and that's going to be with Anushka Sen, and she's playing my sister, and I'm really looking forward to that.
Anticipation at its peak. और मैं कब से सोच रही थी ना, जैसे आपने मेंशन किया कि आपको ना ऐसे सुनना नहीं पसंद है कि यार ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ तुमसे, वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ. I just realized you're 1st January born, right? First,
yes.
Number 1. और मैं कब से सोच रही थी कि मैं इतने इनसे वाइब क्यों कर रही हूँ, because we are Mulank 1 guys.
So yeah, we have to be on the top. Yeah, so that's another reason I'm not doing Big Boss, because I want to go when I can win. So
see?
I want to keep my winning streak intact, so I'll wait.
Wonderful. That is all that I had in store for you. Thank you so much for talking to me, Priyamada.